Alzheimer's patients could develop characteristics similar to the genetic condition Down syndrome. This comes from a surprising new discovery connecting the age-related dementia to a condition often associated with younger people. A new center devoted to exploring the link has recently been opened in the U.S. state of Colorado. Mary McCarthy has our report from Denver.
Why? Why do you like purple?
As a mother to a 6-year-old boy with Down syndrome, Casey Perry has had her share of challenges. Individuals with the condition deal with a host of developmental and physical issues. But Casey is particularly concerned about her son's high risk of developing Alzheimer's at a young age.
50% of people with Down syndrome will get early onset of Alzheimer's, which is 30 to 40 years old. And that's really scary. That, as a mother, essentially, that's what keeps me awake at night. As a parent, how devastating would it be that your 30-year-old child doesn't recognize you anymore?
While medical researchers have long known that Down syndrome individuals are likely to develop Alzheimer's, they recently found a new link between the two conditions. Dr. Hunt Potter discovered that Alzheimer's patients tend to develop Down syndrome-like nerve cells.
It's a path which is giving us new insights into both Alzheimer's disease and Down syndrome that we wouldn't have had if we hadn't discovered this link. So that means that we have a new approach to developing therapy that may benefit both populations.
This new branch of research brings hope to Alzheimer's patients and their families, and it's particularly good news for the Down syndrome community. Down syndrome is a relatively common genetic condition at birth, affecting approximately 1 in 700 babies born in the U.S., but it's also one of the least funded areas of research. Casey Perry hopes the Alzheimer's link will boost spending on Down syndrome research, which has been lacking until now.
The fact that people with Down syndrome are possibly the clue as to what's going on with Alzheimer's, which is so much more common and people know it more people are affected, more families are affected. If this can be the clue, then I think that we're really onto something great.
The latest research showing that Alzheimer's patients tend to develop Down syndrome characteristics is a new and potentially groundbreaking discovery, especially as the number of Alzheimer's patients worldwide is expected to reach 100 million by 2050. Mary McCarthy, CCTV, Denver.